Hello, this is Adam M., and this is my Human Factors in AI project, helping retail grocery stores increase profitability and reduce waste by making more accurate inventory and purchasing decisions powered by an ML model. For my task analysis, I'm looking at grocery stores facing challenges, managing inventory, leading to overstock, spoilage, and reduced profitability. When they don't have enough product, they would have understocking, which reduces store reliability, loses sales, and decreases the customer base. So the key task is weekly ordering for a produce lead, looking at historical sales records, inventory, upcoming promotions, holidays, actual placing the order. So working backwards, we'd look at the task analysis. We start with the ordering, move to inventory, sales records, and shrinkage. This creates a lot of problems because there's human issues with counting, inventory issues, and it's actually reactive rather than proactive. So insights are we're looking at a human dependent requiring an automated service that could make it a lot more better, creating better choices and a better workflow, reducing shrinkage loss. So our user experience would be for leads, management, or inventory specialists, and we would work specifically with produce ordering to be able to look at the current inventory, predicted sales, and then the needs as well as shrinkage. This would be a management lead area, tracking historical trends, as well as allowing for predictions and transparency for users. So for the user inputs, we'd have historical sales, current inventory, promotions, events, shrinkage lodge. The feedback loops would have an implicit actual sales, and the explicit would be a rating system, manager changes, or shrinkage causes. Transparency, we could explain the predictions, show data using charts and prediction accuracy over a specific time, as well as communicating uncertainty. So the score for confidence ranges for predictions, low accuracy notice. Privacy considerations, customer data. So we'd have to ensure an anonymous system for tracking sales data, demographics, employee, supplier, and store specific data. All this could be exploited if there is potential for information to be used for identification in the back step that we learned about. So looking at the laws, we would definitely have to follow the CCPA. There's a lot of businesses operating out of California that have farms. So this would involve the RTK as well as the right to delete, opt out, following all of the security procedures. We'd also have to follow the GDPR as we'd be working with European companies. So we'd have to follow all lawfulness, fairness, and transparency. So we'd be ensuring privacy through minimizing data and not anonymity, purpose, consent, and transparency, control of access, adults, and employee training. Working with a global market, we could need to follow all laws and regulations because we could have users across the globe. So as ethical considerations, using the historical sales bias, there could be socioeconomic bias from purchasing information, promo bias, seasonality, and availability bias. So through data collection, we could have incomplete data collection and human error. Looking at fairness, we would keep continuously data auditing and reducing bias through impact analysis, mitigation, and human-centered oversight. Accountability would have clear roles and ownership, versioning, error reporting, feature accountability, and government modeling. Transparency, we'd have the ability to explain the model, tracking through documentation, accuracy, uncertainty, and feedback loops. So right here is a screenshot example of what it could look like for a shrinkage analysis overview, as well as a model performance and feedback. Here could be a potential for the ordering page with weekly produce ordering recommendations. And then we'd have our grocery inventory dashboard that have all the information that all of the people involved could track. So here's some examples. This is my project for the human factors in AI. I appreciate you looking and taking the time. Thank you so much.